Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Saa Skincare is the name. So let's start to make our whitening body lotion. I'm using 250 ml of my base cream. So guys, you can use any base cream of your choice, but please use a good base cream. Please, you can use any base cream, but make it in a good way. So I'm using 250 ml of my base cream, which is 1 cup of it. Yes, I've measured my 1 cup of my base cream. I'm going to use Skin Good and Miracle Derm Tube to pro-mix this lotion. Miracle Derm Tube is very good because it will prevent you from getting stretch marks, eczema, and so on. So it's very good. So I'll be adding in 1 tube of my Miracle Derm. After adding in my Miracle Derm, I'm going to add in my Skin Good. Skin Good is very good for itching and also eczema. It cures a lot of diseases and infection. So I'm adding in 1 tube of my Skin Good, and I'll mix my cream very well. I'll mix the tubes and the lotion very well before I'll add the rest of my ingredients. My next ingredient will be neem oil. This neem oil is optional, guys. You can decide to add in or skip it. I used to add in neem oil, so you can decide to skip it. I'm adding in 5 ml of it, 5 ml of my neem oil, and I'll also add in my pigment dose serum for the lightening and whitening effect. I'll also adding in my pigment dose serum. Please guys, try to check in and get the original, please. Yes, if you want your lotion or your cream to work, use the original product. I'm using the original. I'm using 1 tablespoon of my pigment dose serum. I'll stir it and also add in the rest of my oil. My next oil is Clinical oil. This Clinical oil is a magic and I love it. I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of it, and I'll also add in my Carotone oil. Yes, my brightening and my glowing oil. I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of it. Yes guys, I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of my Carotone oil. Then I'll stir it a little, and I'll add the rest. I'm going to add in my Fair and White Ultimate Gold 2. I'll be adding in 10 ml of it, 10 ml of it, 10 ml. I'm using 5 ml, so I'll be adding in 2. Then I'll also add in my propylene glycol. Propylene glycol is very good because it lets the lotion or the cream to penetrate deeply into your skin. Yes, it's very nice. And then I'll add in my rescue oil. As the name implies, it will rescue us from stretch marks, green veins, anti-aging. It's a lot. So I'll be adding in my 1 tablespoon of my rescue oil. Then I'll add in my crude Kanakol to prevent us from green veins and stretch marks. I'll add in 5 ml of my crude Kanakol. Crude Kanakol is very good, and I'm going to add in my Bare Eclat Kanakol. Please guys, you can decide to choose one of it, either to add in your Bare Eclat or the crude Kanakol. Choose one, but me, I used to add in the 2, so I use 5 ml each of it. If you try to use the crude Kanakol, please use 5 ml, and if you try to use the Bare Eclat, use 10 ml guys. Then I'll mix it very well and add my stretch mask ampoule. This one is my ampoule. I'm adding in 2 ampoules of it, 2 ampoules. This lotion is a whitening lotion Once also it will repair your skin very well. So this lotion does a lot of work. So guys, you can try this lotion. It's very nice. And I will also add in vitamin E oil, 5 ml of my vitamin E oil. Guys, you can decide to add in preservative, but when I was making my base cream, I added it in preservative already, so I won't add in preservative. And also you can decide to add in your fragrance. Yes, then you use your spatula or your spoon to stir the lotion very well. Guys, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. See you on my next video. Mwah.